Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south in Nonsuch towards Tremolesworth, St. Mary Parish. We are driving on Tremolesworth Road. Turning off Tremolesworth Road onto the Unnamed road, and if we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Tremolesworth, Kinrara, Highgate, Kilancholly and other places. A few meters to the right is a reservoir. The road ahead is impassable and we are turning back. We are back at the Tremolesworth Road. Going right will take you to Tremolesworth, Kinrara, Highgate, Kilancholly and other communities. But we have made the left towards Unity, also Unity Estate, to Ballards Valley, Heywood Hall, Sandside, Trinity, Port Maria and other places. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.